Is your phone actually stealing your brain, or is it building your future? Let's fix that right now. Here are 7 apps that will completely change your entire life.
First up, number 1, Notion. This is literally your second brain. Stop trying to remember everything. It organizes your goals, your notes, and your wildest projects.
Think of it as a beautifully clean, structured workspace where every habit and random idea has a home. One ultimate place for literally everything in your life.
Next, number 2 is Todoist. Stop keeping your entire messy daily plan in your head. That is exactly why you are constantly feeling so stressed out.
Plan your core tasks, set daily priorities, and check them off. Remember, a clear set of tasks means a calm mind. A calm mind for you every day. Number 3, Forest. Do you seriously check your phone every 5 damn minutes? Let's grow a cute virtual tree while keeping your hands off your device.
If you leave the app, your tree sadly dies. Focus up, put your phone down, and get actual work done. Your attention is highly valuable.
Number 4 is Duolingo. Learn a whole new language without making it complicated or boring. It is basically a fun game designed to level up your brain.
Just a few minutes every single day compounds into a massive, real-world skill over time. Small, micro lessons make a massive, undeniable difference.
Number 5, Libby. Want to read a lot more books without constantly spending money? This app lets you borrow free ebooks and audiobooks from actual libraries.
We are talking thousands of incredible books with absolutely zero late fees. Your entire local public library now fits directly inside your pocket.
Number 6, Google Keep. Got a brilliant idea hitting your brain at 2 a.m.? Write it down instantly. Never trust your tired brain to remember.
Use it for rapid-fire notes. Use it for quick grocery lists. And color-coded voice reminders. Simple, fast, and clutter-free.
Number 7, Google Calendar. Seriously, stop letting your days just happen randomly. If you do not schedule your time, someone else definitely will.
Block out time for work, study, exercise, and reading. Give your goals real time.
Your phone is either an attention trap or a powerhouse tool. The only real difference is what apps you choose to keep on it. Go download the ones that actually add value, change your digital habits, and help you grow. It is time to seriously upgrade your phone. Which of these 7 apps is already installed on your phone? Let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to @the AI Update Pro for more tech hacks.